It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. So in today's video, it's time to talk about the You Swallow. Yes, You Swallow. 100 plastic. In one. Yes, we have a new multi-game card from our friends from China. So this is not the brand new multi-game card that's just out. No, this card is around for quite some time now. But I just want to talk about it and yeah, what are we going to get? So for people who are new to the multi-game cards, yeah, you missed a lot of stuff out, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become one of the Wicked family, because we have a lot of great stuff that we're going to talk about here on the channel. And this multi-game card, it's always the question, what kind of games are we going to get? I think the major differences are the collections, but also the feature, because some of these have save function. I really like the label of this thing, it looks very nice, even for an old multi-game card. Alright, so if you look at the quality itself, it's not bad at all. It's still flimsy plastic, but these screws will hold the two shells together. And I can tell you, it's very important. If you're using this cartridge a lot, if you're having these cheap, very cheap quality, let's say cartridges, they will fall apart after some use. Alright, so let's grab my Mega Retron and let's stick it in. Very curious what we're going to get. Alright, so the menu itself is very cool. So what I think is really strange that it is all in Chinese language. It does says the European NTSC version. So okay, we're going to swap the region because this console can do so. Alright, can we switch to PAL? Let's reset. Let's check out what is going to happen. So as you can see over here, I did notice that I'm using another region. So it is compatible with all regions. But the question that I still have is, why are all of these games in the Chinese language? Oh my god, they didn't! Yeah, we can of course see with the picture what kind of game it is, but man, that is messed up. That is really messed up. Yeah, so I tried all the settings and it doesn't work. It's always staying with this Chinese language, I'm guessing it is, yeah. So it seems to be the collection is a variation of different kind of games, fighting games, 3D rage. So the collection itself is not bad at all, and I'm guessing they are using the American ROMs. We're going to find out, we're going to play some games, it doesn't really matter how long is the list, whatever, we cannot even read it. So, let's go. Alright, we have a Sonic 3, that is totally new, didn't see this game very often. The question remains, can we save? Because if you can save, this game is pretty unplayable. And you know what I mean with unplayable, because we need to restart the game every single time. Alright, let's play a little bit. Play like the original one. Alright, so if I reset the game now, let's see what happens. Alright, we're back. Let's see. Oh, do save. Alright, so the save function worked. Okay, check. It seems to be that all the games are just in English, so that's not a problem. Shoot the chopper! Shoot the chopper! Before it shoots me. Full auto. Oh, finally. Alright, I've never seen this game before, a multi-game card. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the Super Game 101 from You Swallow. I'm very surprised seeing that this main menu is in Chinese or in other Asian language. I have never seen this before. I did a lot of reviews of multi-game cards, but this, no, I never seen this. But the collection itself is pretty decent. There are a lot of good games, and with Sonic 3 did notice that it just saves. So the save function works. This is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, and it would be great to see you in the next video.